Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Terrie here. So for today's video, I'll be doing a hairstyling video because I did a poll on my Instagram a couple of days ago asking you guys what you'd like to see, the makeup look or the hairstyling video, and majority of you chose the hairstyling video. So here it is. I've already washed and dried my hair and I'm going to put in some leave-in. The leave-in I'll be using is the Not Today leave-in conditioner. I hardly ever comb my hair, and with this leave-in it's so easy for me to just run my hands through. So to start off, I'm going to section up my hair using my rat tail comb. So I section up my hair into 4 sections. Please don't worry if these sections are not perfect. Mine weren't, so yours really doesn't have to be.
Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to give in. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
So I just got this Eco Styler gel from Theta Beauty on Instagram. So I'm going to leave a link to where I got this in my description box. So if you want to purchase this Eco Styler gel and you're in Accra, you can also do the same. I'm going to put that all over the back section of my hair because it's water based and it really doesn't dry that fast, but it does have a really strong hold and it smells so good. It helps when you do this in sections. It makes it so much easier for you. Now we're at the front section. We need to start getting creative. Please, if you have a ruler or a tape measure, get it. We're about to straighten that line. I'll be using my Got To Be hairspray for the front section. This hairspray really dries fast, and the hold man, it makes everything lay down so smoothly, and it dries super fast. So even if the back isn't dry, the front section is dried and you can go. So I'm using a generous amount of this hairspray all over the front section of my hair, and you see the results at the end. So please remember to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I'm always there, every day, mostly on my Insta stories, but yeah, at least I'm there.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Please remember to also do the 4 simple things I always ask you to do. That's like, share, comment, and please subscribe.
Right, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the car. down all your memories. Feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lights on the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
This part is completely optional. You don't have to use the hairpiece anytime you do this hairstyle. I'm just a little extra, so I always use this hairpiece anytime I do this hairstyle. If you want to learn how I created this hairpiece, please click the cards up above me to learn how to do it. I have a video already on this channel.
Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, because your feedback means the world to me. Also, if you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that bell so you get notified anytime I post another fun, informative, creative video just like this one. Also, don't forget to keep up with me on social media. It's terrie.berry on Instagram and terrieberry on Twitter, so I can chat with you guys because I'm super active on those platforms too. And you guys can see all the other creative things I'm doing on the other platforms too, that I'm not up here showing on YouTube. Alright, so I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!